Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. And I lied to you. This is not a hack. Here I am in Living Atlas, and I'm going to search for ocean current. And I'll choose this glorious high-com ocean currents vectors and waste no time opening it up in the map viewer. And we can see these default ocean current vectors. I'll switch out this base map for something more literal, like imagery, which has a cool dark background. Next, I'll look at the styles for this layer and choose flow. I'll pop open the options for this and turn everything up to 11, the speed, the density, and the length. And instead of a single color, I'll give it a luscious gradient. And I'll pull the top end of this range down so I get more color variation in the data. Then I'll crack open the effects. And by default, because it's a dark base map, bloom is already active. Thank you very much. I'm going to add a drop shadow. And I'm also going to boost the contrast and brightness because that makes it look like magma. And the result is something rather stupendous.